Hi, this is an introduction to Kahoot quizzes. So we're going to try and explain what Kahoot is and how to find it, how to play the game and sign up to create your own, and just look at some general uses for teachers within the classroom and remotely. I will also make another video where I go to the website itself and show you how to create and play a game. Here's our homepage, so if you go to any of the elements, it will take you directly to those particular points when you want to look back on this yourself. So basically, what is Kahoot? It's game-based learning for pupils, both inside the classroom and out with the new homework challenges. It's easy to create and easy to use. And it's good for classroom, office, conferences, living rooms, and more. You can play it with your family as well. It's not just linked to classroom learning. So when you look at this video, or sorry, this slides presentation yourself, you can click on the video and see Kahoot being played. And here is another video where you can look at some of the pros and cons and how to use Kahoot. So the best way to see how it works is actually to play, which is what the second video I will upload will show us how we can do. And we're going to use a game that's been created for this purpose called the EdTech Demonstrator Kahoot Introduction Game to do that. For now though, this is basically what you'll start seeing when you log into Kahoot. On the left side, this is what the students will see, or anyone playing the game. They'll be asked to enter a game pin that will appear on the screen. On the main screen on the interactive whiteboard or any laptop that you're playing the game from, you'll find this screen and it will have the name of the Kahoot at the top. And you'll get two options. You can either play in a classic mode or in a team mode. The most common one I use is classic. So again, this is what the students will see. This will be on their smart device, either a laptop or phone. And then the page that everybody will see together in the class is this. And it will tell them where to go, or with the Kahoot app. And the game pin that they will plug into their device will be shown here. It will give you the number of players that are in. It will give you their names, and it will tell you here, when you're ready, you can press start. This is the report screen as you would see it. So there's lots of different elements. You can see how many people have played, how many people got what score, so the percentage of correct answers, the questions and the number of time that they've spent on it, and you can also view the podium to see who came first, second or third. It tells you any difficult questions, so the ones where people struggled the most, and anywhere people need particular help. And it also gives you this element here, which is didn't finish. So this can sort of direct you to think, maybe I need to put a little bit more time onto my questions. Maybe I've asked the timer to be a little bit too short for those questions for those pupils. So this is the report screen in a little bit more detail. So you can see here that this was a difficult question based on the game that we're playing, 0% correct, and the average speed in which people answered. So again, when you're doing something based on learning in the classroom, it's helpful to direct you to things that the pupils are struggling with most. This is where you would sign up. So again, when you're looking at this presentation yourself, you can click on this link and go straight to where you can sign up for free and then follow the steps. This is what your home screen looks like when you've signed in, and you've got areas here where you can discover other people's Kahoots. This is where your Kahoots will be kept, and you get your report screen here. You can also share with other people in this element here. Over on this right hand side, it shows my Kahoots and the ones that I've recently played, and you can see I've got 21 in total currently. On the left hand side, it says my name and my login name and the plan that you're on and whether you want to upgrade or not. I'm with the free plan at the moment. So general uses, it's a quick AFL check prior to teaching a topic, or it can be used as a mini plenary or a plenary for a lesson. It's low stakes testing, and you can also do homework tasks now via the challenges section. It's good also to use the information gather through poll type questions that can be used for form groups, for a year team, for example, or in a work setting, or even with staff for fun end of term competitions and quizzes. Hopefully we've covered some of the basics, and as I say, in the other video I'm going to upload, I will show you how it's worked in action.